In sales and distribution module, the next chapter SD and FI interface. Sales and distribution and financial accounting interface part. The first one, account determination. The process of deciding which accounts to use for business transactions is known as account determination in SAP SD. You can configure account determination for each business transactions based on the client requirement. Account determination is nothing but it is the integration part with financial accounting, FI part. Under the account determination, there are three types: revenue account and reconciliation account, then credit management. So we can see one by one. Dual entry accounting. Normally, this account determinations we used to call as a dual entry accounting. Dual entry accounting is nothing but where the data moved from sales and distribution to finance. So in the post goods issue, PGI transactions, inventory account will be debited and the COGS will be credited. The inventory is coming under MM part, the material management part, and the COGS it is coming under finance part, cost of goods sold. COGS means cost of goods sold. So the inventory account will be debited, which means the stock will be removed from the system and the COGS will be credited. The cost of goods sold, the cost will be credited in the COGS account. This is called dual entry accounting. So then, where accounting affected? In sales process, start with quotations. In quotations, there is no accounting process, and in creating sales order, there is no accounting process. Actually, the accounting process start with delivery. Especially in PGI, the accounting is affected, and invoice creation, F2. Accounting affected on invoice creation also. In PGI, after creating the delivery document, so we need to post PGI, post goods issue. At the time of PGI, the COGS will be credited, inventory will be debited through the movement type account. So the movement type linked with schedule line category. So the schedule line is coming under sales order level. The schedule line category assigned with our sales order. So then the schedule line category linked with movement type under the delivery. In invoicing, like a customer accounts, revenue account, sales deduction, tax, freight, all the information is related to invoicing part. The linkage is schedule line category linked with movement type and the movement type linked with accounting. So the movement type and the accounting affected linked by MM and FI consultant team. So this linkage between movement type and schedule line category and the accounting part taken care of material management and financial accounting consultant team. So the accounting affected on PGI and the invoice creation, sales invoice creation. So to configure account determination, the condition technique and the pricing procedure are important. You need to configure the pricing procedure and the condition technique first, then only we can able to configure account determinations. So for example, I am taking HP, the company HP, selling the laptop, desktop and printers. To monitor all the product sales, we need to create multiple revenue accounts based on the different category through material group or through customer group. For example, in laptop, the material group is laptop, desktop and printers. For reporting purpose, I want to know the revenue, how much revenue we generated through laptop in domestic and how much revenue we generated through selling the laptop in other countries, foreign countries, or we can say export. And the same we can go for how many laptops we sold or how much revenue we generated through wholesale customer or retail customer or online customer. So like this we need to analyze the revenue data, the sales data. We need to account with the different revenue accounts. So I'm going to create the revenue account by using the material group, laptop, desktop, printers, and by using the customer group, domestic revenue, foreign revenue, retail customer, wholesale customer, online customer, etc. Under the laptop, I created 3 accounts. One is for domestic customer, another one is for foreign customer, maybe it is for a retail customer, something like that. The same goes for desktop and printers. The account determination configuration steps, totally we have 13 steps. So we can start with the number 1, create condition tables for revenue account determinations. So we can go to SAP /n SPRO, enter SAP reference IMG, go to sales and distribution. Under the sales and distributions, go to basic functions. So here account assignment and costing. So revenue account determinations. So under the revenue account determination, select dependencies of revenue account determination. Here step number 1, create condition tables for revenue account determination. Execute. So here we can enter the table number. In SAP there are standard tables which is already available. Enter the table number 525, enter. So here selected fields, field catalog. In field catalog I'm going to select order reason. So just double click. Then here we can click generate table. So the table 520 is already defined with the same field. Just a warning. Enter. I want to create new table. So give yes. So then the package program will be created developers, above developers in real-time project. So we can get the support above developers to create this package program. So now I'm going to select local object. System will assign the package automatically. So the table 525 has been saved. The condition table has been created with one field order reason. So then go to back. Step number 2, define access sequence for revenue account determination. Go to SAP. Under the account assignment, costing, revenue account determinations. Then here step number 2, define access sequence and account determination types. Execute. Double click on define access sequence for revenue account determination. Double click. Caution, the table is cross client. No problem, just continue. So here we need to copy the existing standard access sequence, or you can create our own access sequence. So I'm going to copy the standard KOFI account determination access sequence. Then copy yes. Here I'm going to enter TTFI account determination, enter our company code TT06 for reference. So then just press enter. Select a key from the allowed namespace. Just a warning. Enter again. Copy all. Enter. Just a warning. Enter again. Enter. Just a warning. Press continue until the warning cleared. So then select the row TTFI account determination. Double click on accesses. So here the list of table available already in the system. Select new entries. Here we can enter 04, step number 04, and here we can select the table which we created 525 order reason. Enter. The development class of condition table is local. Just continue. Just a warning. Enter. Then select the row. Double click on field. Again it is a warning. Enter. So under the account determinations access sequence TTFI table number 525, under the table 525 there is a field order reason. So then save the data. Continue. Data was saved. The access sequence has been created. Step number 3, define account determination types. Go to SAP, go to back, define account determination types. The next step, double click. Here we need to create the condition type. So I'm going to copy the SAP standard condition type KOFI. Copy yes. So here I'm going to enter TTFI and TT06 company code for reference. So then change the access sequence which we created TTFI. So then enter number of copied entries, one line item. Save the data. Continue. Data was saved. So we created new condition type by copying the CP standard KOFI and we assigned the access sequence which we created now. So then go to back. Step number 5, create new billing category. Go to SAP. To create the billing category, under the sales and distribution, go to billing. Under the billing documents, define billing type for sales. Execute. Double click on define billing types. Select position. Enter the SAP standard billing type F2 invoice. Select the row. Copy yes. And here we can change TTF2. So then enter. So sales document category D. D means item proposal. Enter. Give yes. Just a warning. Enter again. So number of copied entries 1. Save the data. So now we created new billing type TTF2 invoice. So you can save the data in any request number because this is a training server, so there is no problem. While implementing project in real time, we need to choose the same request number which we created initially. Continue. So now the new billing type TTF2 is ready. So here I'm going to enter TT06, our company code for reference. Data was saved. So then go to back. Step number 6, assign account determination procedure. Go to SAP, close the billing. Again go to basic functions, account assignment / costing, revenue account determination. Define and assign account determination procedure. Execute. Define account determination procedure. Double click. So it's like a pricing procedure. We need to create account determination procedure. I'm going to select the standard one, KOFI 00 account determination. Copy yes. So here I'm going to change TT00 company code for reference. Enter. Copy all. Number of dependent entries copied to. Just continue. So then save the data. Select the row. Double click on control data. So here there are two line items. Here we need to add the condition type which we created. Select new entries 05 and counter 0. Here select the condition type which we created TTFI. So then save the data. Data was saved. So the account determination procedure created and assigned with our condition type. So the next one, assign account determination procedure. Double click. Here we can select the billing type which we created TTF2. Against here we can select which we created TT00. Then save the data. Continue. The data was saved. So then go to back. So the next step, define and assign account keys. Step number 7. Same navigation. Execute. Double click on define account keys. So here we can enter 3-digit ID. Select new entries. Enter account key 3-digit ID. So then here we can enter the descriptions. Save the data. Continue. Go to back. Assign account key. Double click. So here we can select new entries. So select position. Enter procedure. I'm going to select the procedure which we created already. So here we can link against our pricing procedure condition type. For example, the pricing procedure is TTPP and the condition type is TT00 cross price. So here I'm going to link the account key which we created already, TT1. So then save the data, go to back. So against our pricing procedure and against our condition type, here we can link the account key which we created before step and go to back. So then step number 8, define order reasons. To create order reason, the navigation under the sales and distributions, then go to sales, under the sales, sales document, under the sales document header, here define order reasons, execute. So here we can create by using 3-digit ID order reasons based on the requirement. So for example, I'm going to select new entries, 3-digit number, and enter the descriptions, company code for reference, save the data. So like this, based on the client requirement, we can create multiple order reasons. Step number 9, assign GL accounts. Close the sales, under the sales and distribution, go to basic function, then account assignment / costing. Here you can use assign GL accounts, execute. So here we can select the table 525. You can use the navigation or you can use the T code /n VKOA to assign the GL account. So double click on table number 525. So here we can select new entry, application. So here we can select the application. V means sales and distribution, and the condition type which we created already. So here where is the condition type? TTFI, and the chart of accounts. So the chart of account is coming under finance configurations. The FI consultant will create chart of accounts. Now I want to know what is my company code chart of accounts. So open one more screen, enter /n SBRO, enter SAP reference IMG, go to financial accounting global settings, global parameter for company code, enter global parameter, execute. So select position, enter our company code TT06, continue. Double click on the Tata Motors Limited. So now see here, chart of account is INT. In our company code, chart of account is INT. In real-time project, chart of accounts created by finance consultant. So now go to parallel screen. Here we can enter chart of accounts INT. Then select the order reason which we created 766 sales call. So then here we can select the GL account. We need to select the revenue GL account. Here we don't know which account is related to revenue GL account. Let me check. I'm trying to find out the revenue GL account. Otherwise I'm going to create one new account for revenue. Okay, so it is difficult to find the right kind of account. So I'm going to create new account. Go to parallel screen, /nfs00. In real time, the GL account created by FI consultant. We can get the revenue account from FI consultant. So now I'm going to create one account for sample. Select create. First we need to ensure the company code. Go to change company code. Here we can enter our company code TT06. Then continue. Then go to find. Here we need to enter the GL number 30,000. So enter create 30,000. Company code TT06. Continue. Select the GL account type, primary cost or revenue. So then here we can select operating income. So here it is designed for 3 lakh series. Okay, so I'm going to enter. So GL number 301000, company code TT06. GL account type, primary cost or revenue, account group, operating income. So here I'm going to enter revenue account, enter short name and long name, then go to control data tab, account currency INR, short key 001, posting date, then cost element category 1, primary cost, then go to create bank interest, select the field status group 001, G001, save the GL account, system will throw the error, go to description. So here we can select P&L account X, so group account number, save. Now the revenue account has been created. Here we can enter directly 301000, which we created now. So then save the data. This account need to be linked with our cost center. Go to back, enter /n, OK B9, enter, select new entry, enter our company code TT06. So then the cost element which we created 301000. Here we can select the cost center. By using company code, I am going to select my cost center 476000. Then save the data. Go to back. So now the GL account has been assigned. So then after assigning the GL account, now the configuration is completed. We can create the sales order. To create the sales order, T code /n VA01, go to SAP /n VA01, enter the order type OR, sales organization TTS1, distribution channel T0 and division T6, enter. Select the sold to party is nothing but customer. So then the customer purchase order date, enter, select the material, order quantity, file number. Here we can select the order reason which we created 766. So then go to right side, enter the plant TTP2. So then enter, save the order. Standard order 6584 has been saved. So then after creating sales order, we need to create a delivery document. So the T code /n VL01, go to SAP, enter /n VL01, enter. Here we can enter the shipping point TTS1. Selection date is nothing but sales order delivery date, and enter the order number which we created now 6584, enter, delivery quantity, file number, save the document. Outbound delivery 80005308 has been saved. This is my delivery number. Step number 12, create picking request /n VL02. So then here we can enter the T code /n VL02, enter the delivery number which we created now, then go to picking. So enter the storage locations, finished product, then the picking quantity, file number. So then select post goods issue, select the goods movement date, then post goods issue. Outbound delivery has been saved. So then step number 13, create sales invoice /n VF01. So then go to SAP /n VF01, enter. Here we need to enter the delivery document which we created 80005308. Then save. Just a warning. Enter. Document 90005310 has been saved. This is my invoice number. So then go to VF02. I am going to verify the document has been released to accounting or not. So enter the invoice number, release to accounting, click on the green color flag. So the document has already been posted on to accounting. So the automatic posting has been completed from sales invoice to accounting. So this entire procedure from step number 1 to step number 13 is account determination configuration steps. From step number 1 to step number 9 actual configuration, 10 to 13 I am verifying the configurations whether working correct or not. Go to SAP. So here we can enter /n VA02. Enter. So order number 6584. Enter. Press F5 or go to display document flow. So here you can see the entire informations from creating the standard order, sales order, then creating the outbound delivery, picking request, the goods issue will happen automatically, and this is a sales invoice. So journal entry not cleared. So we are waiting for customer payment. Once the payment received, we need to post incoming payment on F-28 T code. So then the sales order cycle will be closed. So now the account determination has been completed. Thank you.